Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian, coming back at you on Badass 01, and another video for you guys today. As promised, you guys wanted some 410 gear pulls, and we're going to do that today. A little bit of point of view driving as well as the pulls, but yeah, not before a good old-fashioned cold start here. Let's see here. You guys can hear how loud this blow-off valve is. Big red race open valve. Prime that fuel system a little bit. There she is. It's alive. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's let it warm up a little bit. We'll get the car mounted up and we'll do some driving. All right, peace. All right, people. So here we are cruising. Just normal driving here. As you can see, this is 410 gear rear end with a t56 magnum transmission with a 2.66 first gear. And this is on a D1SC procharged engine that's just freshly built about 585 miles ago. And yeah, so it's still pretty fresh built, so I'm not going to hammer on too hard today, but we are going to drive it and have some fun with it. And we'll see where this takes us. And as you can see, we have a service engine soon light again already. I just cleared that not too long ago, so we're going to stop and see just what's going on with that here before we proceed and get that taken care of. Yeah, let's hear that blow off valve a little bit. Oh yeah. There it is, 70 in 6th gear. Yeah, it's about 2300 RPM. Not too bad. But yeah, we'll see here in a little bit. We'll do some pulls and some more POV driving. All right. Okay, guys. So I stopped to check out the code, and it's P1000 and P0153. Yeah, I keep getting those codes. The P1000 is emissions controls circuit not being completed, and 0153 is the oxygen sensor's not reading in time or something of that nature. I don't know. Either way, neither code is a big deal, so we'll go ahead and clear them. Clear. Turn keys to the off position. Okay, it's in the off position. Exit, and code should now be clear. Okay, let's exit there, go back to my data log, and we shall continue. All right, folks, back off to the races again. As soon as we can get out of here, anytime, any day here. We better wait. I definitely could have beat that car, but we want to be responsible here on this Mexican drive. And here we are off. Wow. This car is an absolute freaking monster, man. I love it. So the temperature is 198. It gets hot quick, but it never goes over 204, so that's a good thing. Oil pressures are good. Boost and vacuum all look good. Fuel pressure looks good. Voltage looks good. And we got somebody broke down on the side of the road. That sucks. And yeah, shall see you here in a little bit. And as you guys can see here, the T56 is quite nice to drive. Make sure my view is okay here. I'm in 5th gear right now, pulling this hill a little bit, and I'll go ahead and down the 4th there, and little effort to shift. It just shifts so smooth and so crisp. Yes, sir. 1st gear. And of course we got Slowpoke Joe in front of us, but that's okay. Just kind of run through the gears here. See how this thing really runs, man. I mean, it shifts smooth. The power is so manageable with this 6-speed in now, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, get a little more POV driving here, and then we're gonna go ahead and off to the races with some pulls, man. And we'll, like I said, I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy yet, because I'm not even past my 500-mile break-in yet for my 500-mile oil change. I did my first 100-mile. Now I'm working on my 500-mile break-in, which is only 25 miles off, but yeah. So the oil's, you know, old break-in oil in there, and I'm not trying to do anything too nutty with it yet. So, but yeah, I mean, there you have 1800 RPMs cruising 50 down the hill. That's not bad. I like it. But yeah, man, let's proceed. As you guys can see too, for this car having 570 horsepower to the wheels, it's also very street friendly still. You know, it drives pretty much near stock still, a stock feel anyways, till you let it eat, and then of course, you know, feel what's really going on. But yeah, hey, look at that, that's a nice Halloween decor. Okay. Guys, so I apologize for the shakiness maybe of the camera. I think the GoPro absorbs a lot of that, but got you on the steering wheel so you can get a view of the speedometer here. Go ahead and pull through some gears here and let you guys get a feel for what this car has. All right, man. Folks, I apologize for the kind of wheel spin here because I got you on my steering wheel again, but good one. Well guys, I'll conclude the pull video for now. Like I said, I didn't get into nothing too crazy. I still had some RPMs to go, and actually this whole setup has more room to grow. But that'll be for next car season. You know, it's kind of late in the game to be messing with anything now. Holidays coming up, but yeah, just a little preview of what this car is made of, and getting the next car season. Hopefully we'll see a little bit more, a little bit better power and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking it in here in 2 weeks to get it tuned down to 93 octanes on the E85 right now, and run a couple tanks through that, and then I'll put it up for the winter. All right, man. But yeah, car is a beast, dude. Wasn't even into it hard, and it gets blood flowing, man. It gets you adrenaline running, shaking, all hopped up. I love it. But there she is, boys. And that was 410 gears in the rear end of this car as of now, with the T56 as mentioned, with the D1 SC procharger, and that is a 4-inch pulley on the back of there. And also down there you can see the Innovations West 10% overdrive pulley, 8 rib. But yeah, car's an animal, dude. All right, guys, till next time. This is your man Baker, Badass 01. Catch y'all later.